Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. I'm pretty excited to check out the WeStory Cloud Peach pillow. So this is a high density memory foam pillow. There's my old pillow back there. It's, I think, just a regular like feather pillow. The problem is when I lay down on it, all the feathers would go out to the side. So I'd wake up and I would have nothing under my neck or any head support, and everything would be on the sides here. So hoping that this high density foam or WeStory pillow is going to be super comfortable. Have a little bit of a neck issue that I've been fighting for quite some time. Okay, this features like a gel spandex removable removable pillowcase. All right, so this is a high density foam. It has some really good rebound here. So let's see that. This comes in a white color and also comes with like a different, but you can look at that. It has a lot of support there. So let's check this out. Oh wow, that's just like a gel like spandex. It's super soft, this pillowcase here, but you can take it right off and it's easy to wash. Just look how this bounces back though. So good support there. Unlike my other pillows. So we have a couple different things here. You see that one side's a little lower and it's the contour of the foam. So this side is like a higher for neck support, a little higher, and then a little lower. And then for side sleepers, you can sleep for more support here where your head is a little bit higher than your shoulder or whatever. So different sleeping areas here for this pillow, which is really cool. I've actually has a very slight odor. It does recommend that you use it after 24-hour period. I don't even know if I need to do that. I'm probably actually pretty excited to try this out tonight. So I'm just going to waive the 24-hour period and check it out. I'm super excited to test it out. So see if I'm smart enough to put this pillowcase back on here. Okay, so the hole is in the middle there, under the bottom, and that's where you take it off. I kind of like that, how it's not on the side, but in the bottom portion here. So let's just actually go test this out on the bed right now. I'm just going to kind of try it out, the different sleeping positions. Has this nice like contour right here in the center, so it kind of goes down there, and then the support here a little bit up for the curve of the neck. So let's go try it out real quick, shall we? All right, real quick, I just want to show the difference between the foam and like a regular pillow. Okay, you push it down and it doesn't really have any bounce back. Like this comes right back up, and it's a lot more, like a little bit more resistance there. You can see over time with this one, all the stuff is just fluffing out to the edge, and you wind up with like no support here. So that was my major complaint. I'd wake up with like neck pain and stuff like that. It's no fun. That's really comfortable. It's actually supporting my neck instead of just disappearing, and it contours like almost perfectly to it. I like to sleep on my back, not so much my stomach very much. A lot of times just on my back, and then on my side a lot too. So there's that. And then if we turn it this way, it's a little bit of a lower area here. Let's try that out. Boy, both those are really comfortable. One's just slightly higher, so I would have to test it out to depend, like see which one would be most comfortable for me. But I really like the contour of that. And the support is there. You can feel it as it's not just disappearing all the way. Okay, this is for the shoulder, and a lot of times I sleep like that. So that's, let me get my microphone in there. It's definitely a little bit higher on this side. If you have, like, obviously a pillow here, like if you sleep like this, it's going to be a little bit lower where it is. And it just depends on your shoulder. length here and how you're sleeping. So a lot of times if you have like broader shoulders and you have like a normal pillow, it's quite low, and then it's just going to be difficult. Your head's going to be almost like kind of down like this if you're sleeping, if the pillow is not high enough. As you can see right here, it's about perfect right here. I like how it's like, once again, it's like that thick, dense memory foam, so it is like cradling my head nicely there. Okay, so I really like that. This pillow cover is super soft too. It's supposed to be the high density foam is cooling. I'm not really even smelling this unless I literally just put my nose in there and smell it. So like I said, it does recommend you let it air out for 24 hours, but there's a very, very low smell. So that's cool. What else? So I'm just going to give this a try, guys. I'm going to give it a try tonight. It is kind of almost my bedtime, actually. So I'm going to sleep on it tonight, and then I'm going to give you guys my feedback. Yeah, but I'm really excited to do that. Before the other pillow, too, what I had to do was I had to, like, adjust it and, like, fold the pillowcase in under it to try to make it so it would support my head a little better. I'm really excited to try this out. So I'm going to go sleep on it tonight, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Hello friends, and welcome to the final thoughts on this pillow. So the last 2 nights I've used this pillow to sleep, and I gotta say it's been 2 of the best nights of sleep that I've had in a very long time. This thing just keeps the support. You don't wake up at night with nothing on your head because all the feathers have gone off the side of your pillow. I slept mostly on my back with this part under my neck. I've been having some neck issues lately, and right now I feel great. Also, when I slept on my side, this pillow's a little bit thicker right here, so I'd put my arm under it and put my head on there. Excellent support for that too. No like waking up with like neck pain on the side either. This thing is crazy comfortable. You can twist it and whatever, bunch it up. It goes right back to its original form. It's got that, this is that thick memory foam, so it gives you that support that is necessary. I had 2 really good nights of sleep. I highly recommend this pillow. I don't know if it was a pillow, but I also had some pretty crazy dreams that I usually don't remember my dreams, and almost never, like 2 nights in a row, I'll have a dream that I can remember. But with this pillow, I mean, I slept amazing. I don't remember waking up and tossing and turning, and just two dreams. I'm going to call this like the dream pillow or something. I've done quite a few reviews on different pillows, and this is by far the best pillow I've ever slept on. I highly recommend it. I don't see myself using anything else. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day. If you want to check it out, I'll link it in the description below. It's an amazing pillow. You guys have a good one. I'll see you next time.